Turkey's ANKA III UCAV released a TOLUN-guided bomb from its internal weapons bays in a first-of-its-kind test, announced the manufacturer TUSAS on January 13, 2025. ANKA III released the munition from an altitude of 20,000 feet and while flying at a speed of 180 knots. The footage showed the UCAV from different angles inside a hangar, as well as its takeoff and the highlights of the flight. A camera installed underneath the fuselage captured the left bay door opening when an operator from a ground-based control station commanded the weapon's release. The TOLUN is shown from both a camera inside the bay and a chase aircraft as it drops from the aircraft and deploys its X-shaped tail fins. The weapon lands on a marked spot on the ground without exploding, suggesting it was an inert round for testing purposes. The internal launch, the first ever by a Turkish aircraft, demonstrated the ANKA III ability to perform stealth strikes by maintaining a low radar cross-section until the strike moment. Aselsan said the TOLUN also proved its competence in low-visibility air platforms. They will work towards the ability to launch up to 8 TOLUN from ANKA III in a single sortie.